Did you know that one of England's most loyal brothers became history's most hated uncle? Richard III started as the perfect brother. For years he fought battles for King Edward IV, never asking for the crown himself. Everyone trusted him. Then Edward died suddenly in 1483. His 12-year-old son, Edward V, should have become king. Richard was supposed to protect the boy, but something dark happened inside Richard's mind. First, he arrested the boy king's mother's family. Then he declared that Edward V was not the real heir. Richard crowned himself king instead. The young Edward and his little brother Richard were locked in the Tower of London. Then they simply vanished. No one ever saw them again. Everyone knew Richard had killed them. His own friends turned against him. Rebellions erupted across England. Former allies now wanted him dead. 2 years later, Henry Tudor's army found Richard at Bosworth Field. In the last great battle of the Wars of the Roses, Richard died fighting. The Plantagenet dynasty that had ruled for 300 years ended with him.